Hey, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, you can come along with Daniel and I as we go fishing on the creek for some smallmouth and spotted bass. Just get outside and do something awesome.
Is that not pulling you up?
No.
Well, geez, Ron, I gotta walk off.
I didn't know you were...
Watch out for that poop. Somebody pooped right there.
Where?
Right there. It's like black. Isn't that poop?
It's poop, yeah. It happens. There you go. Graceful. Like there should be one in here.
You got one?
Yep. Come on. I told you. Hey, we doubled up here, so Daniel and I caught one at the same time. Look at the bellies on those. Let's let these go. Let these spiders get back in the water.
These are big smalls.
Thank you, buddy. Go on. That's a nice one. There we go. All right, good stuff, man.
I thought I lost him. No, it's just
like thump. Well, see, I felt it, but then like when I set the hook, I didn't feel the fish. I think he got under, there must be like a log or something under the water over there because I didn't feel the fish at first. And I just kept pressure on it. And then all of a sudden I felt him, he must have swam out. We probably caught the two biggest fish out of this hole. That's probably the only fish that were in here. I just got freaking...
Dude, that's an ambitious little fish.
Yeah. Little pumpkin seed. I mean, look at that. Look at how big that lure is. It's like, dude, you couldn't swallow that.
I hooked him, dude. That is weird. Right in the nose.
Huh.
Right
He probably like pecked at it and like probably pecked at the head of it and then you jerked it. You do it.
I'm scared.
I know. It's okay.
Oh! He peed on me.
Did he?
Yeah, he shot out pee-pee. I guess you too. Action or nothing?
Just kind of. No, usually just freaking clobber it. So normally a sane individual would probably stick with what's working, but stubborn old RHINOjoe Ryan decided to whip out the whopper plopper because if you've ever had a topwater strike from a smallmouth, it's probably one of the most addicting things you'll ever experience. Here is a Cast King reel. This is one of the first ones I got. It's a Royale Legend. I mean, it's a good reel, like, and they're not super expensive. They're like slogans like, I think, affordable innovation. I forgot to bring my leader material, so I'm having to salvage some from my crankbait rod because I forgot to bring my leader material. I'll get this tied on and try this out. I've been using just the regular Ned plastics, but I kind of want to try this. It's got those little claws, and the cool thing about this Elastec stuff is, look at that, like, you're not going to lose your claws after a couple fish biting it. I'm trying to get a video of it. I'm like trying to get a video of how it looks underwater.
Bro, gun.
Dude, you just saved somebody.
Think the police are looking for it?
It's probably used in a murder. Yep, that's a crime scene weapon that's been ditched. Oh man, there went a snake. Watch him, he's coming up for air.
Snake?
Right there. Huh? Right here. You see him? His head sticking up? I scared him.
What kind of snake is it?
Just like a regular water snake.
Poisonous?
No. He's just sitting there with his head on top. He's probably waiting for me to leave so he can go back to wherever he was in here. He's coming back this way. See him? I ain't catching him. I'm gonna leave him be. Let him do his thing. No, it's not.
It's a copperhead.
That is not.
Yeah, it is too. That's a copperhead.
Oh, it's not. It's a snake. A slithery old snake. I just saw a snake. Snake. This is just a classic stream smallmouth hole where you have the flow coming in, this like deeper pool as it goes along where it's eroded that out. You got this deeper pool here, this eddy, where in this eddy is where you'll find the fish, and they'll usually be along that current seam where they're going up to feed, but yet they can sit in this without using a bunch of energy.
Got his ass.
Get him. There you go. What?
Pollution.
What is that? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dude, let me take a picture.
It's grown into it.
Let me take a picture of that. That's freaking insane.
Should we take it out or leave it?
I'm gonna try to take it off. Where the heck's my phone at? That is the craziest thing.
That's probably why he was having trouble hitting it. Dude, you don't see that often.
Let me get a... God.
I mean, we're gonna have to take it off or it'll just kill it.
Do you have a knife? I usually have scissors, but
he's like choking because of it. He's like trying to vomit. Can you get that?
Here, just let go.
Grown into his skin. Poor thing. Yeah, you got it. Dude, it's like way grown into it, isn't it? It's like a part of it.
No, here, see if you can get the rest of it. See the other side?
Here.
Try to just pull on it and see if it'll just rip. Alright.
Ooh.
There we go. It'll be fine. He should.
I got it. Look at that.
He might be fine, dude. You'd be amazed. Alright, buddy. Hopefully. See, that's what happens, guys, whenever all this pollution and all this stuff. We need to take care of our streams and take care of these resources that we have. He might be okay. He might come down here in a year and catch one with a crazy ring around it. Yeah, you're gonna have to go home and check me for ticks.
Got one?
I'm getting little bites. It's just it might be small fish.
Can't get that out there. Yeah, this is right here by my house. Did you know that? You go across through there.
By your house? Oh! Did you see that?
You had one.
No, he followed it up and I was reeling it up looking at you. we go. Now that wasn't the one that was over there earlier. Alright guys, this is a resource that we got to protect. These little ones grow too big, so we got to protect this resource. Let's let this one go, let him go back to eating crawdads. Little spot. Look at that. He's been caught before. Look at that. How ripped out. It's probably, look how little he is. Alright. I was really glad I was able to get out again with Daniel, and I love going to the creek. It was really cool. We got to save that fish's life, because that fish would have died if we wouldn't have gotten that off of it. But as always guys, don't forget, get outside, do something awesome, take somebody with you if you get a chance, and check out one of these other videos on the screen, and like and comment below if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.